नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सौरभ सर क्लासेस में। आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड से कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि हमें पता है कि क्वांट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पोर्शन इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट स्कोरिंग पोर्शन ऑल्सो। क्योंकि क्वांट्स में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उसमें आपका बेसिक न्यूमेरिकल एंड मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स की ज़रूरत है। अगर आपका बेसिक मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स मतलब आपका अगर क्लास 6 से क्लास 10 तक की जो मैथमेटिक्स है उसका कॉन्सेप्ट अगर आपका क्लियर है तो आप एक अच्छा स्कोर इसमें ला सकते हो और अपना जो टोटल मार्क्स है उसमें भी बढ़ोतरी कर सकते हो। तो चलिए अब देख लेते हैं कि पहला क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर क्या पूछा गया है। द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन इज 3 मोर देन इट्स न्यूमरेटर if the numerator is increased by 7 and the denominator is decreased by 2 we obtain 2. The sum of the numerator and denominator of the fraction is, so first of all let the value of numerator is x, hence denominator will be x plus 3. Now if the numerator is increased by 7 and the denominator is decreased by 2 we get 2. Okay, so from this equation we can find the value of x. We get x plus 7 is equals to 2x plus 6 minus 4, which results in x plus 2 minus 7, therefore x minus 5, hence x is equals to 5. And therefore the numerator of the fraction is 5 and the denominator is 5 plus 3, that means 8. Now we need to find the sum of the numerator and denominator. Therefore the sum of numerator and denominator is 8 plus 5, that means 13. So option B is the correct answer. Now let's check the next question. If the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon be 144, we need to find the sides of the polygon. Okay. Now, first of all, we assume that the total sides of the polygon is n. Okay. Then we can say that by the formula of interior angle, 2n minus 4 divided by n into 90 degree is equals to 144 degree. Now from this equation we need to find the value of n, and which reduces to 2 minus 4 by n into 90 degree is equals to 144 degree. 180 degree minus 360 degree divided by n is equals to 144 degree. Therefore 180 degree minus 144 degree is equals to 360 degree divided by n. Now n is equals to 360 degree divided by 36 degree, hence the value of n is 10. Hence option A is the right answer. So we have successfully solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. So if you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, its skills, its tricks to solve these questions in a quick manner, then you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these 2 numbers, 9836793076 and 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sorasasclasses.com. Thank you very much.